Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you how you can make your image as hyperimage in HTML. Already we have created a file in which we have added the image. So when I click this image I won't display anything. So if I want this image to be hyperimage, what I need to do is I need to open the source code of this image file. So already I have written this code to add the image to my web page. Now to make this image as hyper image, what I do, I use the anchor tag and I use the attribute href equals to, in double quotation I need to have the hyper reference address. Hyper reference address means I want to display a website, say https colon double backward slash gug.ac.in. Okay, now just close this anchor tag right after the image tag. Save this file and just open this file in the browser. The browser displays this image and just click on this image. This image will takes you to the website of Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. This is how you can make your image as a hyper image. You can give any kind of link, hyper reference. You can give any other web page address. You can specify other files, etc. So this is an example of how you can make your image as hyper image. Thank you for watching.